Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and hair care products. So today I will give review about skincare product called Skin by Zaron Body Lotion. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Skin by Zaron Body Lotion is a vitamin C, brightening and moisturizing body lotion. It contains vitamin C, alpha arbutin, collagen, vitamin E. It helps to hydrate the skin, firming of the skin, and also brighten the skin. It, a lightweight anti-aging formula that hydrates, fades dark spots and blemishes and reduces the appearance of wrinkles, leaving skin bright, smooth and younger looking. Brighten skin, lighten hyperpigmentation, brown spots and sun damage. Improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines, and increase skin elasticity. Protect skin cells from free radicals caused by sun exposure. Reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity and increase blood flow to the skin. Promote collagen production. Stimulate skin cells to produce collagen, which helps promote cellular repair and hydration. Treat acne caused by bacteria. How to use Skin by Zaron Lotion, Body Lotion. Apply to clean skin, can be used morning and night. For daytime use, we recommend you also make use of sunscreen for UV rays on the area of your skin that is affected or are exposed to the sun. It for external use only. If ingested, seek medical help immediately and keep out of reach of children. Avoid heat and direct sunlight. Avoid getting into eyes. If this occurs, rinse thoroughly with warm water. If irritation occurs, consult a physician. Benefits of using Skin by Zaron Body Lotion. 1. It helps to fade dark spots and blemishes. 2. The lotion helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and for those who has the wrinkles, it will help to clear it off. 3rd, it softens a hard and strong skin. 4. With the help to vitamin C, it helped to brighten the skin and keep it smooth and moisturized. Side effects of Skin by Zaron Body Lotion. The lotion has no side effects, but it is generally considered safe for daily use on all skin types. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.